Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Hyundai Sonata in park. To begin, ensure your vehicle is completely stationary. This is a critical first step for both safety and to prevent damage to your transmission. Once stopped, you'll move the gear selector to the P position. We'll also cover the importance of engaging your parking brake for added security. Let's get started. Once your Hyundai Sonata is completely stationary, firmly press the brake pedal. Next, locate your gear selector lever, typically found in the center console. Gently move this lever all the way to the P position. You should feel a distinct click, and the P indicator light will illuminate on your dashboard, confirming the gear is engaged. After you've shifted into park, it's crucial to engage the parking brake. If your Sonata has an electronic parking brake, simply press the P button, usually located near the gear selector. For models with a manual lever, pull it up firmly until you hear several clicks. This action secures your vehicle and reduces strain on the transmission, especially on inclines. Before exiting your Sonata, always perform a quick final check. Ensure the P indicator light is clearly illuminated on your dashboard. Only release your foot from the brake pedal once the parking brake is fully engaged. Finally, turn off your engine and remove the key, or press the start/stop button. These steps ensure your vehicle is safely parked and ready for your return.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.